Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your baby registry on Amazon. If you no longer need it or have already received all the gifts you wanted, I'll walk you through this step to permanently remove your registry. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Amazon app. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your main screen, you can see profile icon on your bottom left. Tap on it. There you can see an option of order, list, account and buy again. Tap on list. There you can see list and registries. Tap on CL. Then scroll down until you see baby registry. Here it is. Tap on it. This will open your baby registry. There you can see menu on top right corner. Tap on it. Tap on setting. Here you will find different options to manage your registry. Scroll down to the bottom and there you can see delete your registry. Tap on it. And a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the registry. Scroll down and tap on yes, delete my registry. And that's it, you have successfully deleted your baby registry on Amazon. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.